Alrighty, NT8 on the porch. Got some more Fitzgerald and USS John S. McCain updates. I didn't want to cover it yesterday because we barely broke 0 degrees Fahrenheit here. Today we're going to hit a degree or two just below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, or 0 for you Celsius guys. They're going to charge the 2 captains with negligent homicide. Kind of amazing to me that they're actually going to do that. Do I agree with it? Wholeheartedly. I can't remember which ship is which, but it sounds to me like they're also going to charge the OOD and the JOD or the XO also with the same charges. And then on the other one, it's going to be the CO and a Chief Petty Officer, which I can only assume is the Command Master Chief, which that one still blows my mind to this day. Do I agree with it? Yes. Do I think it's right? Yeah, yes. You clowns were the ones that were getting paid the big money to make sure everything was ship-shape. And you didn't do your damn jobs. I still think the CNO should be fired. They've already fired the 7th Fleet Commander. You can just roll down the line. Com Desron 15, they fired him. They fired everybody, but allowed them to retire. But the CEOs, they're not going to give that option to you. They're going to charge them. Take them to an Article 32 hearing. Got an owl over there attacking something. But, take it all the way up the chain of command. Why aren't you charging the 7th Fleet with the same charges? Why aren't you charging the CNO with the same charges? Personally, I think it's bullshit. So I don't know. You guys agree with me or disagree with me? Leave your comments in the box. I said from the beginning that I thought, well, the CEOs are always ultimately responsible, so that's the way it should be. If the OOD and the JOD didn't notify the captain that they were in a situation where it required his presence on the bridge, then yeah, they should be charged. The Command Master Chief, I'm not buying that story. But, whatever, that's the training thing. Which I've never noted that Command Master Chief was in charge of training. But Also, Sam Glenn, I think it is, sent me a message saying that Fitzgerald is supposed to arrive on the Transhelf to Pascagoula on the 19th now. I went to AIS again today. I can't find it. So they're covering all that shit up. He also sent me a link to one of the Pascagoula TV stations that might be covering it on the 19th when it arrives. Be interesting to hear what they got to say. But notice the families aren't being spoken of. Well, it's not even really being covered on mainstream media. Typical. So, alright, NT8 on the porch. Next day, later update. And as I get more, or Sam finds more and sends it to me. Bill McCandless, he can send me. But, yeah. That's the subject matter update for today. We'll talk to you later.